I've been using the Lumeo Skinlift 40 current red light therapy device from Laduora for 2 weeks now. Are you curious to see my results and learn how this device could work for you? Watch this video to find out all the details. I'm Dr. Linda Brand, physician with years of experience from skin diseases, skin conditions, and also other health concerns. And I have my experience both from the hospital and as a GP. Hi friends! First of all, let me say that I'm so sorry that I'm a bit late with my 2-week update. That's because I've been sick. I hope we can go from now. We have no choice actually. So thank you for your patience and let's continue. Smooth fine lines, lift contours, and energize tired skin. Sounds good, right? You can get it all in just 3 minutes a day with the Laduora Lumeo device. This is our most advanced at-home skincare device designed to deliver visibly younger, glowing skin. It's backed by science. This patented tool combines 4 cutting-edge technologies. They are red and near-red infrared light therapy, microcurrent stimulation, serum infusion via low-intensity electroporation, and therapeutic massage. This device is clinically backed to smooth fine lines and wrinkles. It boosts skin radiance by 22.93% after 1 use. It instantly improves skin smoothness by 9%. It offers a fast 3-minute treatment at home on your schedule. It combines 4 advanced skincare technology in 1 device. It's absolutely pain-free, non-invasive, and incredibly relaxing and easy to use. Red light therapy at 630 nanometers. This clinically studied wavelength penetrates the skin's surface to stimulate collagen production and visibly soften fine lines and wrinkles. The near-infrared light, penetrating down to 850 nanometers, it's invisible to the eye. This deeper reaching wavelength works beneath the skin's surface to improve elasticity and stimulate cellular renewal. Think of it as support from within for skin that looks and feels firmer and more resilient. 4D current infusion. The technology combines ATP boosting microcurrent with low-level electroporation patterns, gently toning and lifting the skin while opening temporary microchannels to deliver active ingredients deeper. And it can offer all of this without any downtime or discomfort. It also comes with facial massage, so this soft rhythmic vibration provides a relaxing massage that will help reduce puffiness and invigorates tired-looking skin. It's the perfect final touch that brings calm, clarity, and circulation to your skincare ritual. The 4D current infusion is Laduora's signature microcurrent technology that goes far beyond traditional devices. Instead of delivering just 1 fixed signal, Lumeo uses 4 microcurrent patterns, each precisely calibrated to energize your skin, lift facial contours, and dramatically improve how well your skincare absorbs. So what makes it 4D? It's like 4D. The 4D in 4D current infusion refers to 4 precision microcurrent patterns used across Lumeo's treatment levels. So each pattern is designed to deliver effective stimulation while maximizing comfort and minimizing skin stress. So what about the results? It's a 100% safe, painless, and effective facial treatment that supports visibly long-term rejuvenation with no downtime. The device is really easy to use with 6 levels. The level 1, I'm turning it on now. This is red light therapy at 630 nanometer penetration. Level 2 is a classic microcurrent pattern, tone plus energize. Gentle continuous microcurrent mimics your body's natural bioelectricity to gently tone and lift facial muscles, stimulate ATP production, your skin's energy source for collagen and elastin, improve skin tone, texture, and long-term vitality. Levels 3 to 6 gives a patterned microcurrent pulses at increasing intensities. As you can hear, it's increasing the intensity. Level 6, really high intensity. So level 3 to 6 gives patterned microcurrent pulses at increasing intensities These levels use patterned microcurrent pulses at 4 calibrated intensities to stimulate the effect of electroporation, without high voltage, needles, or discomfort. While the patterns change, the current remains safely within low-level microamp ranges for temporarily open microscopic pathways, so microchannels, to improve skin permeability. It allows for non-invasive delivery of active ingredients that normally would struggle to penetrate, like peptides, vitamin C, or growth factors. It will support skin barrier repair, hydration, and elasticity. It will continue to deliver the firming, toning benefits of microcurrent. You may ask, what do red and near-infrared light actually do for the skin? And these clinically backed wavelengths penetrate the skin to stimulate collagen production. It can boost circulation and support cellular repair. Red light targets the surface layers to improve tone and texture, while near-infrared light works deeper beneath the skin to enhance elasticity and firmness. Another common question is, can I use Lumeo with other skincare products or serums? For best results, I would recommend applying the 8-pepta activating serum formulated with science-backed ingredients that hydrate, plump, and enhance the results of your Lumeo treatment. It works synergistically with the device to boost glow and radiance. You can also use your favorite serum or moisturizer. That's completely up to you, but this was designed especially for this treatment. The Lumeo helps your skincare work better by increasing how much your skin can absorb, and it's actually up to 836% more after just one use. That's amazing. So now take a look at my skin now. It's been 2 weeks. And yeah, as you can see, it looks good. One of you actually commented after this video, and you said that my skin looked worse. And that's because I wanted to give the Lumeo a chance to show me that it could do the same and get me the same or maybe even better results than the device from Medicube. So that's why. And already after 2 weeks, I think I'm on my way back to where I was after using the Medicube. So definitely this is my opinion. I think it's working really great. And after seeing my results now, if you want to try the device, they have an early Black Week discount right now with 40% off, 40% off. 40% off, and I have the link here and the discount code. I hope you enjoy this. I'll see you again in 2 weeks for my 4-week update, where I'll share more about my progress and any new insights I've gained. And also, if you wonder what's on my face today, I've been using quite a few new products today. And one funny thing, actually, I was planning on just putting on the Forever Glow Star Filter from Dior, but I had these two standing next to each other, and I ended up using the Givenchy Prisma Libre foundation. And I'm so glad I did. This is a beautiful foundation. It's actually the first time I'm trying this. I'm going to have a huge tryout for foundations coming up. Foundations on dry and mature skin, like mine. And that's coming up pretty soon. Remember to subscribe if you haven't, and like this video, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Hope to see you soon again. Bye for now.